That sounds like a chainsaw.
What the hell? No! Yo, dude, is it here?
They just left it, dude. Guys, we just ordered a Happy Meal off the dark web, dude. This is insane. We got everybody here. Wait, come on. Let's open this.
Oh my god.
Yo, did you tell them what time is it?
Well, you guys know it's 3 a.m., guys.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you guys, it's 3 a.m. and we just got a Happy Meal.
What?
Oh my god.
Wait, you good?
Oh my god, I gotta go poop, bro.
What?
Oh my god,
Edgar,
you
we
smell
have
it?
to
Wait,
open
we
this.
have to open this.
No.
How
You
does
guys.
this happen so
Edgar,
fast?
just go.
though?
Oh my god, I gotta
Just
poop.
go.
Hurry
Oh
up.
my god.
Oh my god!
Oh, okay.
I didn't know that happened so fast.
We're gonna open this right now. We can't wait for Edgar. He's gonna take forever to
open
the
it.
bathroom.
Open it!
All right, let's see.
Is there any food?
A cheeseburger.
It's a hamburger.
Oh my god, I smell that from here. That smells so funky.
That smells like it's like rotten.
Yeah, I don't want nothing. Dude, this is the most exciting part. The toy.
How about the fries?
There's nothing else.
Wait,
Did
what?
Did it come with a drink?
No drink. Just rotten hamburger. Oh my god.
Oh my
We got a
God.
Jason toy.
No. A Jason?
Are you serious?
Look.
But McDonald's doesn't give out those type of toys.
But this is from the dark web. Remember. Should we open it?
Yeah, of course.
Dude, but Edgar's gonna be so mad if we open it without
doesn't
him.
matter. He'll forgive us.
All right, let's go. Just open
Go.
Oh my god. Yo, that's like limited edition.
Look, it says Friday the 13th.
No shit.
Friday the 13th.
Oh yeah, it does.
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh my god, look, it
Oh,
brings
it brings
a
a
knife.
machete.
Oh my god. How does it feel holding it?
Oh my god, look how cool this is, guys.
Yo, that's crazy.
How does it feel? Touching
That's
it.
not cool. That's
Does it
creepy.
feel weird?
It's
You get any
creepy.
bad vibes?
And look, it has a freaking bald head.
Well, isn't he bald?
Look.
Yeah, he is.
Oh my god.
Wait, you heard that, right?
Yeah.
That sounds like a freaking
Give
chainsaw.
me like weird vibes.
Wait,
guys hear
wait.
that?
Wait.
Take it back.
That sounds like a chainsaw.
No.
Dude, you think it could be a toy?
No, there's no like audio on the toy or anything. That sounds like it's outside.
What if we're just being like paranoid?
Dude, what if we just
Wait,
do
shh. It's coming.
I think it's a toy.
Dude, just throw it away, bro. Dude, the noise started literally the second. Just go. Oh my god.
That was scary. That was scary.
Dude,
That was
wait,
very scary.
Wait. The noise stopped.
That was scary. We opened the toy, guys, and we start hearing chainsaw noises.
Yo, what the
That's
heck?
insane.
You hear that?
What is that noise? That was so scary.
Dude, what the heck?
Guys. Wait, that could be a neighbor.
My
Be a
bad.
neighbor,
A
right?
neighbor. It could be a neighbor.
Okay, how about you open it?
Wait. Maybe it's like the FPL. They're cutting down trees.
Oh.
My belly's you open. I don't want to open. This is kind of scary. My belly's just open.
Just freaking
Oh
open
my
it.
god, you won't believe what it is. Jason!
What?
Oh my god, what the hell?
Is that the toy you threw out?
What the hell?
The toy just turned into human.
Guys, the toy just literally turned into a human.
No,
Yo,
you threw him out.
yo, you gotta get out, bro. Get out.
What the hell? Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's killing my belly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the hell, guys? Everybody.
Ollie, let's go. Stop looking at that. Lock the door. Lock the door. Oh my god. My belly's just dead.
What the hell just happened?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, yo. Guys, the freaking toy we threw out literally just freaking grew and turned into a real life Jason.
JP, close the door.
JP, close the door. Give me.
What are we gonna do?
Oh my god.
Hide in the other room. Just hide in the other room.
Go, hide into the room. You hide with the kids. You hide there with the kids.
I didn't. Oh my God! What the?
Oh my God, he's right there. Guys, we have to be really quiet.
I'm sorry to
Yo,
tell you this.
we have to hide her with the kids.
Yeah,
Guys,
you have
we're
to hide.
trapped.
You have to hide.
Oh my
I
God.
got an idea. Come
Just
here.
hide with the kids. Hide with the kids.
Where?
Hide here. Hide here.
Just hide. Look in there.
Hide in there.
Be quiet. Oh.
Oh! Hide in there. Hide in there.
Go.
Hide in there.
Go.
Hide. William, go to the other room. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
William, I'm gonna let go. Just hide. Don't talk. William, go.
Gosh. Wait. Get down. Be quiet. He's looking.
Oh my God! He's chainsawing the door.
No.
Dude, lock it. Oh, dude. We gotta go.
Where we gonna go?
We're gonna get in. William, help! Go. Dude.
Oh my God.
My Valise is dead, guys. Someone's partying. Someone's holding. And the kids. Oh my, dude.
Dude,
Is
there's no
Edgar
way out.
alive?
Dude, I don't know. We have to go check
Is
on
Edgar
him.
alive?
I don't know. We have to go check on
Oh
him.
my God, get this shit.
Okay, listen.
What?
We gotta be smart. At least,
What?
Listen. At least one of us has to make it alive out of here.
So we can tell the story to the police.
Of course. So listen, let's just be smart. Let me go outside. I got it. Don't worry about it.
Are you sure?
I got it, dude. I promise you, I got it. I'll try to talk to him. Go. You gotta go out this door. You gotta go out the other door.
I'll try to be back.
Just go fast. Just go already. Go.
Oh my God, dude, what the hell? Dude, he had a freaking chainsaw, bro. You guys, Jason has a chainsaw. Stay here.
Are you
Let's do this. Try to distract him. He's coming.
Dude, I'm gonna open this door.
Hey, Jason, in here. Oh! Run! Go! Oh my God! Jason is freaking coming! My belly!
Just forget about it.
Oh my God! What the hell? Dude, go!
Oh my God. What the hell? What the heck?
Dude, what the heck are we gonna do?
What the hell are we gonna do?
Bro, we barely have time. We gotta be smart. We have to separate. At least
Dude,
one of
just-
us needs to be alive.
I know.
Dude, so just go that way. Go this way.
Are you sure? Guys, what the hell? I'm gonna hide right here. I'm gonna hide back here. Dude, he's gonna come out through the door. Dude, yes he is. Guys, Jason's gonna come out through the door. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God! William! No! No! Oh my God, guys! William is dead! Guys, oh my God, he's cutting his leg! Guys, William is dead! Oh my God, I'm outside! Oh my God! Guys, the door's locked! Oh, I'm gonna go get Edgar! Edgar's alive! Oh my God, my belly's dead! Edgar! Oh my God, guys! Edgar's dead too! What the hell? Yo, I'm gonna get out of here! Oh my God, guys, everybody's freaking done! They're all dead, yo! What the hell? Guys, Guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna get help. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel and check out my new YouTube channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace, guys.